Hi, this is Andrea, AI Art Originals, and thank you for stopping by. I wanted to introduce myself. I'm posting some shorts of images that I've created using Midjourney and that I've animated using Midjourney just to kind of get the ball rolling. I'm new to the YouTube space in terms of putting myself out there. I'm 58. I live in Oregon. I like to create things both that I find aesthetically, boy, that's a mouthful, pleasing, and also that people have requested. On my Etsy shop, which it says it's 4 years old, I've actually been actively doing that Etsy shop for 2 years. And I started with digital products, all AI. I then went to about a half a dozen different print-on-demand products. And I'm gonna be showing you how to create some of that with AI art. I'm also gonna be talking about what I like about certain AI tools and what I don't like, what I find easiest. I kind of want to gear this channel towards people who are over 40. I think my goal is to empower. You don't have to be perfect. Nobody's perfect, but if you can get good at 1, 2, 10 aspects of this, you can actually make money with AI art. That was kind of the impetus for me to do it. I'm actually a self-published author. You can also use AI to create books if you're so inclined, but that's a whole other thing. We're gonna try and stick with AI art originals. That is the Etsy shop. It's also the name under which I am an Adobe Stock contributor. And so I contribute imagery, patterns, transparent PNG files, and video. And all of it's created with AI art. You know, I'm aware that there's a lot of people who think AI art is a ripoff. I'll just let you know right now. If I was using prompts where I was putting in an artist's name and it was kicking out something, I'd see that as a ripoff. I don't do that. I write unique prompts. I enjoy writing them. I'll be showing you how to do that, how you can refine your own. But you will get better at this the more you do it. Like I said, I've been doing, well, maybe I didn't say that. I've been doing this about 2.5 years, primarily with Midjourney, but not exclusively. I've used others, Ideogram, Adobe Firefly. Some of my images have helped train Adobe Firefly, but all of that is stuff that you'll find I babble sometimes because I'm doing this stream of consciousness thing when I'm talking about this. I'm excited about it. I like it. I have fun doing it. And I hope you will too. And anyone who's over 40 and thinks they can't learn this stuff, totally false. You certainly can. You may not do it as quickly. You may not do it as perfectly as you want. Let go of perfection. I have to do that. Look at my hair. You have to just let go of these things. And in that, just have fun. I mean, it's an incredible time to have these tools and to play with them, and just, yeah, that's what this is about. So AI Art Originals, thank you for stopping by. I hope you will consider joining us. Leave a comment if you have a question. If you think I can help you out, I'd be more than happy to. So thanks again for stopping by.